Welcome back to 6 News at 5 here on this Easter evening. Hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. Hopefully you got out and enjoyed it a little bit today. I know today's conditions after the rain moved out this morning a little bit better than what we had yesterday. Let's talk about that rain. Obviously, we've talked about this at length the last 2 weeks. We need a lot of it. We got a little bit of it last night, unfortunately. It's not going to be drought busting by any stretch. But hey, out in St. Sabbath County, Richland Springs got nearly an inch of rain there. Goldthwaite in Mills County coming in at about 3/4 of an inch. Burnett at about half an inch there. And then Waco about 3/10. And then here in Temple about 1/4 of an inch. So you'll notice here from west to east, those numbers really went down because as those storms traveled from west to east, of course, we got later and later and later into the night. And of course, those storms just kind of weakened as they approached the I-35 corridor. So our western communities definitely the recipients of the better rainfall than those along the I-35 corridor. 82 out there today, 68. You see plenty of blue skies after the front moved out. 79 is where we're supposed to be, so pretty decent there. There's that 3/10 for Waco, and unfortunately, it just isn't doing enough for us. We're going to need a lot more rain to get out of this drought. We've got some in the forecast. It's not in the forecast for tomorrow, though. For tomorrow, we're going to have quiet weather. We'll wake up in the 50s, maybe a few 60s on the board as well. For tomorrow afternoon, how about the middle 80s? So we're going to add about 4 or 5 degrees over what we had today. We're going to see those south winds returning, which means that moisture return is coming back, which means we are going to be seeing those storm chances move back in as we head into next week. Now, just ignore that little banner there. But for Tuesday, we're going to watch a dry line set up to our west. That's going to kick some storms our way as we head into Tuesday evening and maybe even to the overnight hours into Wednesday morning as well. That's going to be our first chance, but we have multiple chances of rain here, especially as we head into Thursday. Get a little bit of a break here and there. These are going to be off and on kind of showers and storms basically throughout the week. For Thursday, though, Thursday and Friday look like our best chances to see that rainfall across the area, and our models kind of bear that out right now. As you can see, kind of some widespread potential there for those showers and thunderstorms Thursday and Friday. And then those storm chances do again last into the weekend as well. So multiple days here we could be talking about some rain. Again, best chance is going to be that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday time frame, 80%, 70%, 50% on Friday, and then we start to see things taper off towards the weekend. But if we can, by midweek here, get about an inch to a couple of inches of rain in the bucket, that would be hugely beneficial for what we got going on right now with our drought conditions. Of course, this time of the year, we do have to talk about this aspect of it too. There could be some strong to severe storms embedded in anything that we see over the course of the week. And in fact, we're starting Tuesday evening with a marginal risk that covers kind of some of our western communities there, but we'll keep an eye on that through the rest of the week for any more days that could potentially bring that severe weather as well. But hey, for right now, we're just looking at those rain chances and thinking this is exactly what we need to happen here as we close out the month of April. Remember to keep up with that forecast. It's always changing during the spring here in Texas. You can download our 6 Plus app. It's free on your smart TV, and you can watch us anytime.